Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be transforming this wig right here. Okay, ignore the cloth underneath. This wig is from EvaWigs, and although the hair is really pretty, like the curl pattern's really nice and everything, this wig needs to be like shaped. And I'm not a huge fan of the part in the middle. Okay, yeah, I'm not a huge fan. So I'm gonna basically just transform this wig. I'm gonna cut some bangs into it, shape it a little bit, see what I can do to make this wearable. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Join the XO gang because it's super lit over here. Okay, now let's get into the video. So like I said, I do want to cut some bangs into this bad boy and shape her up a bit, but first I have to cut off this lace. So let me get some scissors and let's get this started. Okay, so I'm realizing now that this part is probably meant to be a side part. So that makes things a lot kind of better for me, honestly. I can work with this a little bit better. It doesn't really need as much shaping as I thought it was gonna need, but it definitely still needs some styling and maybe a little bit of snip here and there, but it's not as bad as I thought. I might still want to do some bangs. I don't know. We'll see where this takes me. Okay, so starting off with this bottle of water, I'm just gonna spray the hair down until it's pretty damp, really wet, you know, almost dripping. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this Curls Creme Brulee cream and apply that to the entire wig. I'm using quite a generous amount. This is really kinky, curly hair, so I'm treating it almost like how I would treat my own hair. But you know, it's a wig. So again, this hair was sent to me by EvaWigs, and this is their natural afro curly human hair full lace wig. It is 12 inches to 22 inches, and it has a 3C, and I'd say a little bit of 4A hair pattern, mostly 3C though. And I will leave the link to the exact wig in the description box down below so you can check that out. So now I'm gonna use this Tresemme mousse. And if you've seen my videos before, then you probably recognize this mousse. I use it on pretty much all of my curly wigs. I'm just gonna take a generous amount of the mousse and distribute it through the entire wig. Okay, so once I've got enough mousse in the hair, I'm gonna diffuse the hair because I don't wanna cut it while it's still wet. Okay, now that the hair is pretty much 100% dry, I'm gonna start trimming. And I'm using this pair of shears that I think I got it off of eBay a while back. It's a really good pair of shears. They've lasted me for a really long time. But I am just going to pretty much eyeball this whole thing and just cut any stringy ends and just kind of shape the wig up a bit. I don't have a strict formula to this, guys. I'm nobody's professional. Okay, I'm really just eyeballing this and cutting it to how I want the shape to be. So now after trimming this for about 10 minutes, I'd say, I'm going to try the wig on just to see how it's looking and kind of shape it around my face. As you can see, I'm just messing around with the hair, kind of fluffing it with my fingers, just doing what I can to manipulate it and get it to do what I want it to do. So now I'm going to take some of this Got2b glue gel and I'm just going to gel down my baby hairs a little bit. I'm not going to glue down the entire wig. I just don't really have that kind of time. And I wanted to make this tutorial as simple as possible. I feel like with curly wigs, you can get away with not gluing the frontal down all the time. So right here, I just decided to trim these bangs a little bit more. I just felt like they could have used a little bit more trimming, and it definitely helped to give the wig a better shape. So now you could pluck the part, but I'm just going to apply some concealer and powder to the part to make it look a little bit whiter. But I do plan on plucking the part sometime. But right now, for those of you who don't really like plucking wigs or don't have time or are scared to pluck your wigs, don't worry. You don't necessarily have to, at least not with this wig. I'm just going to create an illusion with the concealer. I kind of was a little bit messy with the concealer, so I'm just spraying some water and just kind of rubbing out that excess concealer. And now we're all done. I think we look pretty good. I'll give you guys a little 360. Okay guys, so I'm all done cutting and styling this hair. I think I did a pretty good job, you know? I'm no professional, but I know how to make something shake, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think this turned out really cute. Like I said, this hair is from EvaWigs and all of the information will be in the description box for you guys. It is a full lace wig and it fits me really, really well. Okay, I think I got the large cap because my head is kind of big and I have a lot of hair. So I think I got the large cap if I'm not mistaken, and it fits me perfectly. And yeah, it's really cute. Like at first I wasn't too sure, but this is honestly really cute. Like I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. For those of you out there who aren't really into making your own wigs, this would be perfect, especially for Valentine's Day, guys. Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you don't know what you're gonna do to your hair, whether you're going out with your man or going out with your friends or going out with family, whatever, you know, if you want like a really cute ready-made curly wig, then definitely check out EvaWigs because they have some bomb wigs and they're affordable. Really, really affordable. Gotta definitely throw that in there. But yeah, this hair is perfect for Valentine's Day. I love, like, you know, I don't know. It's giving me really cute, curly Q vibes, you know what I mean? But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, leave a comment down below if you're feeling this hair, because I'm feeling it. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to EvaWigs for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in my next one.